Hey guys, Ihor with Code NFT here. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to add an NFT minting page into your WordPress website. For those of you who are not familiar with Code NFT yet, we are a multi-chain, no-code NFT launchpad that allows you to drop your NFT collection without writing a single line of code. Okay, so to get started, I will launch our app. And I've already prepared a test smart contract for this tutorial. So I'll just select my Pokemon smart contract and then go to Mint Page tab. In here, we have 3 templates that you can use for your Mint page. For this tutorial, I will go with full. And next, I'll just copy the embed code. From here, I can go to my WordPress dashboard and edit site. Next, I will add a new block and search for HTML. Select custom HTML and paste the code that we received from Code. Click preview. And here it is. Your Mint page created with Code NFT is now embedded into your WordPress website. And if I click Mint, it will prompt me to connect my wallet and confirm the transaction to mint an NFT. So just like that, you can embed an NFT minting page into your WordPress website without writing any code. With that being said, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or reach out on Discord, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.